Fèis Phàislig is a music and arts organisation based in Paisley that provides opportunities in traditional music and Gaelic culture. Còisir Gaelic Fèis Phàislig, or the Fèis Phàislig Gaelic Choir, is open to young people aged 8 to 18.
Bhí coramachah páirste gáil an bharca sin unital agus náisianta a líhéid a mód náisianta rígal a bharach go a bhí gáil páirt an curmin ciúil agus tachartasan trona bhliana.
You don't have to be a Gaelic speaker to join, you only have to be interested in singing and having fun.
Sa chéad dul amach na de háisich míon seo, bha duine ar tí seán a bheith gomáitiúid na de háisich sin. Agus bha de sin gomá sábhach, coiad caran imimeach ach is dé ganatí sessionin háisich de sin bican na sáirte agus chaning sa had gomá misneachan, tá a bharach misneach go inis.
I think it was harder at first because I wasn't familiar with the sounds of the words, but I think as soon as you kind of get to know what certain phrases sound like, other phrases are easier to work out. The teachers are really good, so they help you pick it up really quickly.
All the tutors are very welcoming and they help you if you're stuck at something or if you need help at something.
I was already involved in a couple of choirs, but I think in terms of traditional Scottish singing and Gaelic singing, it's definitely opened me up to doing more and being more involved in that side of things.
Hiike bhil. Tá cáirsta grún, há ma, há sin giúsacha táid ach go chearstam há Joespóir ac an cuiteach.
San bharach fistrachaí, tuilmh iad www.feisphàislig.com.